Yo, what is good, bro? What's good? What's happening? What's up, PJ? Yeah, live on TikTok, man. I just started the TikTok up. What's happening, Brad? What's happening, Bradley? We got Brad in here. We got Zarif. We got Third Pupil. What's happening? What's up, PJ? What up? What up? What's up, Majid? What's going on, guys? What is happening? What is happening? Let me just tell everyone we're live. Oh, everybody, we are live. Everyone. Every single person. I'm gonna take you to elite. I'm gonna take you to elite. What's up, MF? Do we hit 2-4? Maybe, man. Maybe. Hey, what's up, Mitesh? It's business time. What's up, Rocco? Neil? What's happening, guys? Did you enter long? No, I didn't enter any longs, no. What's up, Dana Lee? Dana Lee? Am I saying that right? Dana Lee? Daniela, what's happening? Abs. Victor's. David. What's up, guys? Dana Lee? Okay, alright. What's up, Eloa? Jackies. DDK, what's happening, guys? Welcome in. We'll wait a little bit longer for everyone to come in, and then we'll see what gold's doing right now. It's a bit cold today, guys. So I got my hood up, alright? I'm not trying to look tough or anything like that. I'm just cold, alright? I'm just cold, man. Not trying to look like a cool guy. Back again for another day, taking the money back from the banks. It can go both ways. I'm predicting 2394, then back up 2394. Alright. What's up, TS? Cody with the gangster outfit. I'm just cold, man. It's cold in Melbourne right now. What's the temps? What's the temps right now? That is 49. What's this? What's 49 degrees Fahrenheit? What is that? What is Fahrenheit? That in degrees? About 9 degrees or some shit, right? What's up, Eric? What's up, Bullet PR? Everyone coming in. Everyone coming in. Very nice. What's up? What's up? Call in BBK? BKK? I go live every day, yes. Whether I trade every day, that's a different question. It depends if we can find a setup or not. What doing gold today? Alright. We'll give it a few more minutes and then we'll do some analysis. We'll see what's going on. We'll check out GJ. We'll see what GJ is doing. We'll see what gold is doing. Gold right now is not really doing anything, is it? 9? Yeah. It's about, I reckon it's about 9. 49 Fahrenheit is about, what is it? It's usually in, oh, there we go. Celsius. We're going to change, there we go. 9. Yeah, 9 degrees. It's 9 degrees Celsius right now. What's up, Sib? What's happening, man? Which time frame? This is the 4-hour time frame. We're just going to do some analysis in a minute once the stream fills up a little bit more. Warming back up in the UK? Yeah, I mean, what's hot? What's hot in the UK? Wait, where'd that comment go? Did you delete that comment? Did I just read a comment or am I tripping? All right. It seems as though we are all in. The stream's looking good. Excellent connection. That's what I like to see. It seems we are good to go. All right. So I took a trade on BTC USD. Perfect hand pattern and took my training after that hit my target. Oh no, bro. Above 18 is hot in the UK with humidity. Yeah, bro. It was the other day. It was like 18 or 17, 18 degrees in Melbourne, and like in this house we was freezing. Right, we had like the jumpers on. Like, you know, we was cold as fuck, man. We was cold. And in the UK, it was the same, right? So we had an 18-degree day. It was freezing. They had an 18-degree day. And they was all, like, I saw pictures of my friends and stuff on Facebook in their shorts and T-shirts, sunbathing, out in the sun, drinking. It's crazy, like, the difference. All right, so what's gold doing right now? I'm not going to lie. Today has been a very slow down gold. I haven't seen absolutely nothing. There was a potential trade that I was looking at earlier. With this right here. This hourly candle coming down. This was a 4-hour top wick. This hourly candle right here was a 4-hour top wick. And then price come back down, right? So we popped above the weekly open. And then popped back below. And I was waiting for a tap at this level, right? There was Xauusd potentially straight away. It opened up and started driving to the downside. But I wanted a tap of this level first of all. Price came back up. Didn't tap. Just closed straight back above. Came all the way up into almost previous weekly highs to have a tap, right? And now we've come down. Now we're tapping this area. So we broke above. Now we're tapping, right? So at this point, we could be seeing a deeper pullback because it didn't come back to tap into this level at this point. It came very close. Right here today during the pre-London session, the post trading window, it came in tap, not the green level. Let me just turn that off so you guys don't get confused. That's the levels provided by the indicator. It came in here, almost tapped, but didn't. Came down and retested this level, tapped in here. So now we could be seeing the overall move back up into 2422 potentially for a tap in there. I didn't see those buys. Look at those buys yesterday on the hourly time frame. What's that? 136 pips. Very nice. So yeah, if we're having a look at the weekly at this point, the weekly is sitting. This is how you know. Obviously, it's been a slow week so far. The weekly is sitting around where it opened up, right? So it opened up right here where this previous weekly candle closed. It's still floating around in that area, so it's yet to really make its mind up on where it wants to go, right? Because it's sitting around this level. It's spiked up, it's come down a little bit, it's created a top wick, a bottom wick, but it's still sitting around the open of the previous weekly candle, right? So a bit of indecision in terms of the weekly. Price doesn't really know where to go at this point. Again, I'm going to bring up, I know I bring this up every stream, but again, looking back at this previous price action over in here. What's up, Paulinus? What's up, man? Looking back at this previous price action over here, I'm anticipating something similar. I'm anticipating a drive to the downside for the rest of this month. We just need to see that play out. Of course, price is still, price is very bullish at the moment, but now going into the daily candle, this is where it gets interesting, right? This is where it's going to start potentially giving us insight as to where we could be heading today, because look what's happened. Price has spiked out the previous daily higher low, right? So if you can see right here from the daily, this is the daily time frame, right? We've got higher highs and higher lows all coming through here in this nice uptrend. Now we got the spike out of the lows, right? Now this is either going to do one of two things. It's either going to spike out the lows to grab liquidity, grab some volume, right? Or we've broke structure, and now the next level we're going to come down into is this level, right? Previous weekly highs here. Weekly highs that were from over here, sorry, that created a resistance most recently, the last week. So how we validate that, how we confirm that, is then going on to the lower time frames, right? Now we have broke daily structure, but price look on the 12-hour time frame, right? The 12-hour candle rejected the open, the weekly open, closed back above. The 8-hour time frame has closed below, closed back above, closed below. Now it's looking like it's trying to close back above again. So on the 8-hour time frame, looking a bit like a bit of a consolidation at this point, right? It's kind of ranging sideways. Not really too much directional confirmation on the 8-hour at this point. So now, in order to get the validation for this move to the downside, where I've explained to you my idea from the monthly perspective, right? And then also now the daily lining up with the monthly. Now we have this daily break of structure, right? Daily bearish candle break of structure. It's also created lower highs and lower lows at this point. If we're going to get this sell-off, if price is going to continue bearish here down into 2392070, then we need to start validating that with candle closures, right? Higher, like the analysis time frame candle closures. So the 12, the 8, the 4-hour time frames. We want to start seeing closures below this level. And today we had it. That's why I was looking for sales today. Didn't quite get the sales. So the pre-London 4-hour candle right here came down. As you can see, this 4-hour bearish candle right here, it came down and closed below, right? Broke that support. That spiked out of the daily break of structure level right there, but still came up and closed below this weekly level, right? Then the next 4-hour candle came straight back up and closed back above. So again, nothing happened there. So now again, what we need to wait for is, you just mark this up for the 4-hour open. Now what we need to wait for is see how these time frames start lining up now, right? So we've got 4-hour closures in about 2 hours 36 minutes, and in the meantime we can look to see how the 2-hour plays out right here. The hourly plays out. We've got 36 minutes left of this hourly candle. You can see prices has pulled back, and now we're potentially getting a sell-off again. But now, you know, look at the previous hourly candles right here, right? 1 rejection, 2 rejections. So if we're going to start seeing that move to the downside, you really want to see the hourly candle starting to come below this level and close now at this point, right? We want to start seeing closures below this level. Price has created a pullback at this point. It's created the kind of, if you have a look at the structure, you know, the highs, the higher lows, so bullish structure. Then we have lower highs, right? So price came up, price made a higher low right here. Tried to come up and continue bullish, breaking the previous higher highs, but failed, right? Created a lower high in here, right? So this is just bearish, just simple, you know, price action kind of market structure concepts, and then came down and made a lower low. So now we have a lower high and a lower low, and price could be just pulling back again, creating a new lower high at this point in order for price to then come down, continue bearish, and make a new lower low in this overall like bearish structure, right? So things lining up for sales, but again, that doesn't mean I'm entering sales. I'm waiting for confirmations below 2414715, and then also the key closure that I'd be looking for today is below this level, right? We want to start seeing a 4H 1H 2H 4H closure below this level, which is 2407. Oh, what just happened? 2407,340, right? So we want to start seeing closures below this level now, and that's going to give us nice confirmations for price to continue bearish down into the next level at 2392070. Does that make sense? What's up, Ahmad? Perfect sense? Good. This is XAU USD. So the channel, share it with you on Telegram. Oh yeah, share it with me on Telegram, bro. Share it on Telegram. Nice. Nice bullet. Nice, bro. So yeah, that, if you know, hopefully that made a little bit of sense to you guys. Hopefully you followed along with that to some extent. But now going back, if you guys remember yesterday's live stream, right, and we talked about this break of structure level from the 2-hour time frame, right? And if you guys remember yesterday, when price started to move down here, right, I said we didn't get a tap of this level, right? If we go down onto the 30 where we was looking for a tap and a closure, we didn't get a tap of this level. You can see this 30-minute candle right here just close below, and then the next one continue bearish, right? And I said if we don't get a tap back in this level for this, with this 30-minute candle right here, there's a good chance if it sells off that eventually we're going to come back to this level to tap, right? I said that yesterday in the live streams, and look what happened overnight. We came straight back to that level, tap 1, 2, 3 times, and then continued to sell off again from that level. 200, almost 300 pips. So this is why taps, you know, you guys always say like, what do you mean taps? Like, why are the taps so important? Although we did get the sell-off in here yesterday without the tap, right? You got the sell-off nicely. Price is always going to want to come back to this level. Price is always going to come back to this level and want to tap back in there, right? And then again, the previous weekly high, price closed below. If you go over now to the 1-hour time frame, right? Price drove below this key level right here and didn't tap back in, and then eventually came back, tapped in right here, and then look what happened after it tapped in. Price just absolutely melted again, 250 pips, right? So the taps of these key levels are very important because it's where price picks up the volume, the orders, and you start to see price driving once you get the taps and the retest of these levels. What's up, KCar? What's happening, bro? What's happening, bro? FVG me? No, it's not an FVG. If you guys want to see what these levels are on the TikTok, you're gonna have to come over to the YouTube channel. I'm not allowed to show the numbers on TikTok, just in case I get the BANNED. Show him some love by liking. 37 watching, just 8 likes. Yeah, I agree, Paulinus. I agree. Everybody hit that like button in the YouTube channel. If you're new to the streams, make sure you hit that follow button. Maximum, you're long. Explain to us, brother. Explain to us why you're long. Let's see some analysis coming out of the chat right now. Let's see some analysis coming from the chat. Took another out today, 30-minute signal. Yeah, I did see that signal actually. But I decided, I mean, technically it went about 10 pips in profit, like 9 pips. So you should have really been at, you know, looking at going at break even at that point. But yeah, I was looking at the overall closure on the higher time frames, especially like the hourly, right? I wanted this candle to come back and create a bit of a steeper top wick and tap in before it started driving. But then once it came back up, it just closed all the way back above. He took some liquidity. Well, I mean, there's every chance right now. Obviously, at this point, it's hard to really say what's going to happen because we need some movement, right? We need something to happen in here now. Price is consolidating. It has been the whole of the first trading window. It's very rare that we get the consolidation during, you know, the first trading window, but it does happen, right? So there's not really anything we can do at this point. Until we start to get some movement, until price starts to give us a nice movement to the upside and starts closing above key levels or give us some movement to the downside. Right now, I'm just going off what the market, what the candles are showing, right? And what they're showing from me at this point is a current daily candle's bearish. We've broke out of the previous lows. We've created a lower high, potential lower lows. So the daily is broken, structured to the downside. You know, looking at the 12-hour, we got these, you know, the momentum at the moment, currently off the past few candles, is bearish. And yeah, we've broke below key levels and we've come back and retested them with rejection multiple times here, and then continue to south to the downside. So for me, right, not saying I'm right, not saying everybody else is wrong, but for me right now, I'm more looking at the sells like below this level. But if price wants to start coming back up and breaking, you know, above these levels, start closing above here, and for example, the 4-hour time frame, like the 2-hour, 4-hour time frame, starts closing above these levels, then my bias is going to switch, and I'm going to say, okay, well, where, if price is going to come back up here at this point, where is it going into? Why is it coming back up here for? Right, and then we can reassess and potentially then, you know, switch the bias. But as of right now, there's literally nothing happening. It's ranging. It's going sideways. If we look at the 30-minute time frame, it looks even worse, right? It looks awful. So right now, we're just waiting for a bit of movement. We're waiting to see what happens. We've got 26 minutes left of this hourly candle. Do you guys want to see the TikTok chat? Who wants to see the TikTok chat? All right, let's put it there like that. Bullish and think. Okay, yeah, I read that one. Good morning. Is it Tommy? Am I saying that right? Because I know you got a 7. Is it Tommy or Mommy or some? What is it? Yo, I need your indicator crazy. Tommy is right. Imagine if I was calling you Mommy. Yeah, Mommy. I was going to scalp a sell from 245 to 2 and then enter a buy. Okay. Can I explain scalping? Scalping is a form of trading. It's a type of trading, a style of trading, should I say, a style of trading where you're looking for small moves, right? You're looking to get in and get out, usually on the lower time frames, like the 15, you know, the 30, the 15, the 5-minute, even lower than that, the 1 minute. You know, some people who trade the 1 minute time frame, crazy. But yeah, scalping is more short term. You're in and you're out in, you know, potentially in the matter of minutes. Whereas swing trading is more long term, right? So you're looking to hold trades for you know, like days, weeks, and then you've got day trading, which is more so like getting in and out of the trades within a day. So that can last for hours, or it can last, you know, potentially the whole day. Or there isn't at the moment, Maximum, no, because the problem with that is on WAP, on the website, when people get access to it, it automatically adds and removes people away from the indicator who have like a membership, right? So it's hard to give a trial because it's going to add you to the indicator, then I'm not sure how it's going to remove you, you know, if you know what I'm saying. So it's going to get you very confused. Which indicator can I use as a beginner as I continue learning? I would say stay away from, if you're a beginner, just don't focus on indicators or anything like that. Just focus on the knowledge. Focus on, you know, the candles, reading candles, understanding. If you're a beginner, just understand the basics. What Forex is, you know, what candles are. You just the very basics. I wouldn't focus too much on indicators and stuff like that if you're a beginner. Yeah, it does, Ollie. It does. Bro got a fade. Nah, it's cold, bro. Can you not see the? Can you not see the temperature down? Oh no, you're on TikTok. It's 9 degrees right now, bro. In Melbourne. It's cold as fuck. Any trades today? Nah, no trades today. I was looking at sales below here, but then price just closed straight back above and started consolidating. Scalping in 1 minute chart, in my opinion, straight up gambling. I mean, you know. Are those labels key levels update? No, these are levels that I have just put on the chart, Ethan. We are in the process of potentially updating the indicator next to include labels on the indicator, but that's going to take a bit of work, which is what the coder, what Jedi is saying, right? The coder, he's saying it's going to take a little bit of work to try and figure out how to do that. So he's currently working on that, I think. But yeah, that's potentially going to be a future update for the indicator. V5. What's up, TB? What does that's the 4-hour candle open, Luke. The 4-hour candle open. Alex Blends, are you actually are you a barber? Mobile barber. Does that mean you got your own, like, I've actually seen one of them around. So you just like drive around, you got like a setup in your van and shit? You just drive around and people book you? Am I on YouTube? Yeah, Alex, I'm on YouTube, bro, as well. One day we'll meet in this small, cold trading town of Melbourne. Are you Tanu? You in Melbourne? I'm pretty sure you would have told me this before, but consolidation on the 1 minute. Yeah, this hourly candle has barely moved in the last 20 minutes since we've been watching it. Look at this 5-minute time frame. Oh, you come to my house, okay? Because I have seen a guy in Melbourne. There's got this big van, and he's obviously decked it out in the back. And like he had like mobile barber on it, and he would just like pull up outside your house. You would jump in his van, and he would just fade you up. That's my indicator, Rim. What's your analysis for the market dip? I already did the analysis, God of Thunder, but basically I'm waiting for confirmations for sells below these levels. Just based on, at the moment, it's just based on the daily candle being bearish, daily candle breaking previous daily lows, so it's kind of like a break of structure in here now. The 4H, I mean, it's, yeah, there's not really much happening at the moment. It's hard to really get a bias or a direction of what's happening right now. So I'm just waiting for gold to just do something at this point. Yeah, appreciate the follow, Alex. Yeah, I only trade gold, TB, but I do look at other pairs as well, but mainly Forex. Not really any cryptos. Or no cryptos at all. I don't know, say not really any cryptos. I don't day trade cryptos at all. All right, what is GJ doing right now? So what's this? The 8-hour time frame coming up. It didn't spike out of the. Look at that. Look at this 8-hour candle on GJ. It came all the way down within like barely like half a pip here. Didn't break the previous candle lows, and now it's spiking all the way back up. 12-hour looks good to continue bullish now. Yeah, it's a bit dead at the moment. A bit dead. Everything's a bit dead right now. Nothing is really happening in here. Look at Euro USD. More consolidation in here. I'd never holding bar right now. Is it valid? I'd never trade BTC. I know what happened. What happened, God? What happened to you on BTC, bro? What do you think about a retest of 2395? 2395. I mean, yeah, that's down in that general area where I'm potentially looking at as well, Ethan. If we can come below here, first of all, we need to see price below 2407, 340. Yeah, gold, Steven. It's gold. XAU USD. Might go long on DJ. Get a retest. Retest what? These levels? Holy shit. Look at that. Look at that on GJ today. Something's happening in the markets today, man. Look at that. Would you look at that? Yeah, I mean, we just gotta wait at this point. This hourly candle on gold has not budged in the last 30 minutes. It's literally hovering right here like this. Yeah, TradingView, Alex. To open trades, I use MT5, bro. What are you talking about, KK? Are you talking about GJ? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, the daily open. What's up, Alec? Just thought you are a financial advisor. Not financial advice. What's up, Omar? Do I trade BTC now, though? I'm gonna buy literally shit myself. You're gonna buy on gold? When is this 4-hour close? Closes in about 2 hours. Hi Cody, my buy is 2432. You think it'll go up? 2430. Wait, you was in a buy from up here? Yamuna? You're in a buy from up here, bro? $15-minute breakout? There was no 15-minute breakout. Are you talking about this one right here? I was waiting for the tap, Omar. I said that in the Discord. Waiting for a tap of those levels before taking a sell. Or I said it in the Outlook video or something. I said it somewhere. For sure. But yeah, I was waiting for a tap into these levels. So it closed below. So this hourly come down here. I was waiting for a pullback into this level, and then I was going to start looking for sales to validate the sales. But like, this candle then just came straight back up and closed back above. So smaller time frames. Not necessarily, not yet. It's just consolidating. You're gonna buy from 2430 up here, okay. I can feel it slipping away again. 2430. I mean, yeah, there's a potential, bro. There's a potential. I mean, I can't exactly say, yeah, price is gonna go to 2430 because if I knew that, I'd be a billionaire, you know. Probably loves the tap. Market makers are on break, no trades, relax and watch. Yeah. Yeah, what's up, Plug Trader? Thank you for the sub, man. Appreciate you, bro. I hope it was a small size. You're worried it might not go to 2430? I mean, don't worry, bro. You entered the trade. You obviously had a reason to enter the trade. So if you're following a strategy and a trading plan, there's no need to be worried, right? You entered that buy. There must have been a reason why you entered it. So stick to your analysis, stick to your trading plan, your game plan, and see it through, man. And if you're not happy with it, if you're not happy with the trade, then you're gonna need to start looking at ways to manage your risk, right? It's that simple, bro. But you entered the trade, man. You entered it. What prop firm? I don't use the prop firm. I don't use prop firms. I want to go to the gym, but I just go to the gym, bro. Just go to the gym. You're out of break even. Tap 4 hour. Yeah, so now we're coming back above the 4 hour open, right? Where this 4 hour candle opened. As you can see right here, this is where the 4 hour candle opened. It's come all the way down, tapped into this level. Now it's flipping back bullish. So when's this out? So we got this hourly closure in 10 minutes, right? If this hourly closes above this level, okay, 2419, no, where is it? 2418, 810, 2418, 810, right? If we get an hourly closure above here in 10 minutes, you want to see then a break of the highs. The highs are right here. Get a potential break of these highs, and then that could take gold up into 2422, 830. Because like I said before, you can see how this candle didn't come and tap into this area, right? If you're looking at the 4 hour time frame, we haven't had a tap at this level yet, right? So this candle came straight back down right here, and we haven't had a tap into either this level or this level. And you guys know what I'm talking about at this point when I'm looking for taps, right? The same thing happened here yesterday. Look at this 4 hour candle, right? This 4 hour candle, this 4 hour bearish candle, just drove down here, right? Didn't respect any of these levels, didn't tap into any of these levels. And then what happened straight after that? Price came straight back up and tapped back into all these levels. So now again, this same thing could happen here. We've come all the way down without tapping in. Now we're going to come back and tap back into these levels. So first of all, what is that? First of all, 2422790. and then potentially 2426 530. MG Crypto, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What website do you use? Are you talking about this one, Hemi, or what? This is TradingView, man. TradingView, brother. Nice wisdom. Nice, bro. Let's see. Doing chores, looking at charts. Nice, Tamim. Like that. I like that. Let's take a look at this from the 5-minute perspective now. So the 5 minutes closed above. Obviously, if we have a look to the left, right, we can see a 5-minute closure above here and a 5-minute closure right here, right? These two bullish closures above this level. And then what happened directly after that is we had bearish candles and price closed back below, and then price closed back above, bearish candle, price closed back below. So we need to make sure, if we're watching the 5-minute at this point, that this 5-minute candle stays above this level, closes above, and then we can start, again, we can start seeing that push to the upside. But you can see how this 5-minute candle closed above, and then what happened in the next 5-minute candle. Can you guys tell me what happened with this 5-minute candle? What did it do? Tap. Tap, tap. Tapped in. 5-minute tapped in, and then it started driving. Let's see, we've got 44 seconds. You got your notebook today, Jester. I like that. Tippy tap tap. Tippity tap. Tap tap tap. All right. Let's see. Is this going to be... This is also... Okay, so we've got 5 minutes to an hourly closure as well at this point. So this could, depending on how this 5 closes, that could give us a good then indication. As I said before, we had a bullish closure above here, and then straight after that, price flipped bearish and closed back below. But now we've got a closure above. The next 5 has stayed above, right? So now again, bottom wick to be formed here, first of all, and then potentially we can get that drive up into this level. Now we're just focused on the hourly though. We're just focused on the hourly closing above this level at this point. Now we're just focused on the hourly closing above. Let's have a look at that 2 hour real quick. 2 hour came down. Look at this 2 hour as well, right? The 2 hour came back down. So again, the same thing happened, right? This 2 hour candle, boom, came all the way up and closed back above this level, this key level right here. Then what did the next 2 hour candle come down to? Came all the way down and tapped back in this level first before it flipped bullish, and then potentially look to drive to the upside, right? So again, we got that tap on the 2 hour. All right, we got 3 minutes here to see if we get an hourly closure above. So then again, first of all, right, once this hourly closes, then what we're going to be looking for price to come back, create a bottom wick in here, and then we want to see it start driving to the upside. If this next hourly candle opens up and just spikes to the upside straight away first without coming down and tapping in here, then at that point, you know, it's done, right? But what you want to see, the hourly open up, coming down, tapping into here first of all, creating an hourly bottom wick. Make sure that it's respecting this level first of all, right? We don't want to see a closure below here. On the lower time frames like the 15 and the 30, we want to make sure price is staying above this level, and then you can anticipate the drive to the upside after that. We got 2 minutes here now. This 5 minute is driving. No, I never have KCAR. What strategy do you use? Price action. PAC. Price action concepts. PAC. No SMC, PAC. No SMC, PAC. PAC, yeah, PAC, man. Price action concepts. Do you think CPI CAD will affect gold? I mean, it potentially, not hugely though. Not like a USD CPI, but it could potentially cause a bit of a reaction in gold for sure. How do you get your entry, your confirmation for entry? Confirmation for entry is within the pullbacks, right? The bottom wicks and top wicks being formed, taps into key levels. Once you get the taps, then price driving and breaking previous highs or previous lows. What's up, Seal? No, that's not my buy zone maximum. That's just, I don't know why I put that there. I just put it there. It's the previous daily lows. How's the weather in Melbourne? It's 8 degrees right now. The temperature is dropping. The temperature is dropping. What's up, Megalodon? All right, we got about 15 seconds. It's just one of those days, Seal. It's just one of those days, bro. Price overall is in a bit of a consolidation, right? We saw all-time highs yesterday as well, right? We saw all-time highs again, so that could be why price is consolidating a little bit in here again. All right, there's the hourly. There's the hourly. We want to see it come down, tap in, right? You want to see it respecting this level on the lower time frames. Looking for a tap in here. 2418, 810. You hate this kind of day? I mean, it's part of trading, bro. You can't always have high volume days, you know. Yesterday we saw huge volume. Price creating all-time highs. Huge moves to the upside, huge moves to the downside. So it's a given at this point that you'd really see it. What's up, Meg? Lots of love from Uganda. What's happening, man? We got Uganda in the building. Uganda. Didn't tap yet. It's still, I mean, there's only 2 minutes, a minute of this 1 hour candle so far. Literally 1 minute. Still got another 49 minutes to go. Kazakhstan? Damn, son. How long have you been on? How long have we been live, Lancey? Is that what you're asking? Yeah, look at this 2 hour as well. It's a 2 hour open as well. So I definitely want to see a tap in here at this point. Although, look at this previous 2 hour candle. All the taps at this point have been done, right? All the confirmations at this point have been done from the 2 hour perspective. That is a huge bottom wick. So it's likely after this candle has had a 66 pip bottom wick that the next candle can just start driving. But we still have time. I'd really like to see. I mean, look at the reaction. Look at the price action in this level, right? Look at the rejections in here, in here, in here, in here. So if it doesn't tap, it doesn't tap, you know? It's like Pokemon. You can't catch them all, man. You can't tap them all, you know? What times do I trade between? So I trade in these trading windows right here. Amani. This one and also this one. I've been on about, what's it? About 51 minutes, Lancy. Yeah, about. I can't. Last time I gave you know, ideas out to the TikTok chat, I got banned. I got my live TikTok live banned. So yeah, we're not doing that anymore. We're doing analysis. And you know, if you know about trading, if you know what you're doing, you could potentially learn a lot. People who come on here and just go buy or sell, and they just look for signals, right? You're never gonna learn anything from that. You're always gonna be following other people's actions, right? You're never actually gonna learn from it yourself. You're always gonna be dependent on everybody else instead of just taking the time to learn yourself, right? Yeah, bro. Tell me about it, Seal. Tell me about it, bruv. All right, this is nice. We're starting to see a little bit of volume now. They're just people who are just very money greedy, you know. They're just all about the money. They just see, all they see is just dollar signs flashing in front of their eyes. That's it. They have no real interest in actually learning a skill set, right? They just, all they think about is the money. And if you get into trading, all you think about is the money, you're gonna lose a lot. You're potentially not gonna make money. You're just gonna lose money. Oh yeah, I know I can block them. But they give me views, you know. Like, as long as they're not saying annoying stuff, then they can stick around. Yo, Uno Reverse, appreciate the follow. Holly, appreciate the follow. Wait, I'm waiting for God to tap my point of interest, and the broker will see me in the bank. All right, there we go. It was this level. It was 2418, Alec. 2418. We already had the taps into 2414 down in here. Yeah, there we go. All right, so now we're tapped into this. All right, now we're tapping into the next level. The journey is more important. We could push up towards MY with MY open. Yeah, we got an hour till MY open. What's up, Ethan? What's up, my brother? Tap. You guys probably get sick of hearing me say that fucking word now. Tap. Tap, tap. Alright, 4 hours. We got 4 hours. We got 2. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. So. Now we've tapped into this level where price didn't tap into when it came down in here, right? This is what I talked about earlier. With this 4 hour candle, we're either going to tap into this level or this level. So we've tapped into this one first of all, the previous weekly high. We wasn't able to get the entry there on the 1 hour because we didn't tap in. We've already drove up now, right? That would have been a nice move right there, about 30 pips coming up. But first of all, I would want to have seen the tap into here and then the drive, right? Like I explained earlier. So we didn't get that. That's fine. We move on to the next. Now, looking at the 2 hour time frame. We're getting a tap in here. Right, price has broke it. Now it's come back to tap it. So the question is it going to continue up into into the daily open? Right, because now we've seen the break below, the drive down. Tap back into this level for confirmations that it's going to continue bearish, or is it just going to reject here and come down and give us a tap at this level? Right, it still could. So now if we look at previous price action in this level, every time price has closed above this level, pretty much on a 2 hour time frame, look at this 2 hour closure above, price drove, right? Price drove up like, what is that? 235 pips, right? Then we had another closure above right here. And this 2 hour candle just closed above right here. And price drove up 130 pips, right? So again, now price is coming back up to this level. It's bullish. If you get a closure above, right, can you anticipate another move similar to what's happened over here, right? What's up, Ascendant? You like the word tap? Tap, tap. Yo, Rob, appreciate the follow. What strategy is this? PAC, price action concepts. But will it come down? First of all, I mean, we've still got 50 minutes left of this hourly candle, right? We've come up and rejected here now. Could it be coming down to give us the tap into here? It's looking likely. I can't really do that, Rizo. I've recently got banned on TikTok for doing something very similar, so kind of staying away from that for a little bit. I don't want to get banned again. But we are doing live analysis, right? For educational purposes only. I've seen many traders on TikTok, but you are the best. I appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that, Dennis. What's up, Baroni? What time frame is this? This is the hourly time frame. Hack Baxter. What's up? That's actually my mum's family name, Baxter. Why does it have to tap that level? Because it's broken it at this point, right? Yo, appreciate the tiny diny. Appreciate the diamonds over on TikTok. If you're just looking at the 1 hour time frame, still, it's not that important now that we tap that. If we come back and tap this level, although you know it's likely that we will. I want to see a tap of this level to give confirmation that price is going to drive up to this level, right? Before it happens, because if it breaks the highs and drives up to this level before it taps, then you don't know what's going to happen from that point, because it can spike out the highs. And now it can drive down and it can close back below this level at this point. So now the tap is not really that important. But when this candle first opened, what I want to see is, so first of all, you get a break of this level right in here with this hourly candle, right? So you get the closure above the break of this level. Then you want to see price come down and tap it and just retest it for a second, right? Just give confirmation that, okay, we broke this level. We're just going to tap back in here. Now we're going to start driving to the upside. And then that would be a nice entry right there up into the next level, which would have been about 26 to 28, 29, 30 pips or so, right? That's when you want to see the tap as price is breaking it, right? As price is breaking it and retesting it. The tap is not that valid right now, or it's not that important anymore, because we've already broke the highs and drove up into the target. We've already broke the highs and drove up into this level, right? So at this point, it's, if it taps, it taps. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But you want to see the tap straight away when this candle opens. That's going to give you confirmation that once this candle taps in and then starts breaking those previous hourly highs, that's going to give you a nice entry then to just take it up into the next level, right? We are playing tap tap. Yeah, just a nice little friendly game of tap tap, you know, with Forex we code it. Tap to confirm what, Brony? Tap to confirm, well, the buy, the move to the upside, right? As this candle is closing above this key level right here, when this next hourly candle opens, you want to see then, as soon as this candle opens, you want to see it drive down, create an hourly bottom wick, which is just simple price action concepts anyway, right? Tops and bottom wicks. You want to see it drive down, tap in here, and then you want to see it drive to the upside. Just to give you the confirmation, you know? Yeah, exactly. I mean, which broker? Black Bull Markets. Black Bull Markets. Not after the tap, Silver. Not after. As you first, the first confirmation is the tap of that level, and then you want to see it flip back bullish and break the previous hourly highs, right? So then entry, anticipation. How could I say this? You know, like once it breaks the highs, then you can anticipate it moving to the upside, right? So, you know, there's things like buy stops, sell stops in trading. How do you draw this lines based on previous? This is all just you know, previous monthly highs, previous weekly highs, daily open, 4-hour open, weekly opens, previous daily lows. You know, it's from the analysis time frame. So the 4-hour, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, sometimes even the 8-hour and the 12-hour as well. Is this gold? Yeah, this is gold. PAC is so cool. Do you think I should start something called PAC instead of SMC? Yo, bro, appreciate the diamonds again, man. My God. Do you have signal group? No, I don't have a signal group, but I do have an indicator which gives signals based on my strategy. Appreciate the diamonds again, bro. You're going crazy. What's up, AMG? What am I seeing with gold today? Personally, as of right now, based on current structure and price action from the daily, the 4-hour, and you know, just the overall structure in the market right now, which is printing lower highs and lower lows, I'm currently bearish. But that could all change very quickly if we start to get closures above these levels on like the 2-hour, 4-hour time frame, right? Did we tap into this level? Oh, we did. Look at that. Tapped in. Let's see how the 5 reacts at this level now. So there's the tap. So as you can see, even though we did make that move up, then if you don't get that tap straight away before the drive up, if price would have tapped in here first and then drove up, there's a good chance it could have continued past this level, right? But it spiked out the highs first of all. Now it's coming down to tap in and make that bottom wick. So now we need to see how price reacts at this level, if it's going to stay above or if it's going to start closing below and moving back down, right? What's my win rate? My win rate is, I will show you exactly what my win rate is. Oh no, not that one. This one. My win rate is 66% exactly. 66% exactly. This is so far from the start of the year, January 1st. This is my win rate exactly, 66%. So far for May, I've taken 14 trades and I have a 78% win rate for May so far. April, I took 20 trades. I had an 82% win rate. March, 16 trades, 69% win rate. February, 23 trades, 74% win rate. And January, 36 trades, 49% win rate. January was a bit crazy. I mean, start of the year, it happens. Yeah, it does maximum. It does work. That was the most recent update actually for the indicator where we opened it to cryptocurrency, but you have to use the broker Oanda, right? We do this for consistency because if you just use any broker, if you allow the indicator to use any broker, the candles print differently on each broker, right? So for consistency, consistency wise, we kept it to Oanda only. So you can trade anything that Oanda offers. But you can do your analysis and everything on the Oanda chart with the indicator, and then you can enter manually on your broker, whatever it may be, Yo, appreciate all the follows, guys. Posh, Meta, Menti, Henny, Tuan, 2K, Laptops. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. I think gold is going to test 2405. All right, so look how that 15 closed, right? So now this 15 is the one that's tapping in. We still have 11 minutes left of this 15. And now let's see how the 4 hours form, because the 4 hour, look at the 4 hour candle, right? So we did see some movement on the lower time frames at this point after that consolidation, but now gold is just floating around its open price, right? The previous 4 hour open. So again, now this is where we have to, be watching the 4, the 2, the 1. We got 40 minutes. Price is starting to sell off a little bit. So we've tapped in this level now. We've come all the way back for a tap in this level like we talked about earlier. Now we're seeing the rejection. Now we're seeing the sell off. So what do you mean, CL? No, I'm not funded, Rizo. Not funded. Tap and drive strategy. The tap. Yo, you know what it could be? I mean, I don't really want to bring this up because, it's a bit of a sensitive subject with someone who's not with us anymore, but instead of 2-pack, right? Like the 2-pack rapid, it could be pack. Nah, that's dumb. That's dumb. Forget I said that. What indicator is that on the right? That's my indicator, bro. What's up, Miss H? Is this TradingView? Yeah, this is TradingView. What's up, Bernice? Bro did not just say that. Yeah, my bad, but just forget I said that. What is your strategy? The 2-pack. No, it's price action. PAC, Dominic. PAC. Price action. Link in my profile if you guys are interested in the indicator. 2 hours for Cody. Appreciate you, Zach. The tap pack. Well, Alec, it seems that way, right? But if you're just looking at the higher time frames now, it's just coming in to confirm like the breaks of these levels, right? Again, this 4 hour candle drove down here without respecting any of these levels. Now price is coming back to tap back into these levels, right? So you can see now I've already tapped into this one, and there's a potential we can just continue bullish back up into 2426530 as well. So it seems like price, you know, after what happened yesterday with the all-time highs being printed, you know, the move to the upside, then the sharp move to the downside, then the sharp move back to the upside. You know, price at this point now, yeah, is not really sure at this point what it's going to do. So that's why we're just waiting. We're just waiting for confirmations now. Like that would have been a decent trade right there. That would have been a decent entry if we got the tap into 2418385 first of all before this drove. That would have been a really nice entry, but it drove up first without giving the tap. Now it's come back down for the tap. So that would have been a decent entry, and now we just gotta wait and see what happens again. How do you make those levels? Fibonacci? No, it's not Fibonacci. It's if you guys want to see what these levels are, come over to the YouTube channel. You can't see them on your on TikTok, but you can see them on YouTube. Did you indicate give entries today? Yeah, it gave 30-minute entries, which drove about 10 or so, 10, 11 pips in profit over here, and then came up. So ideally, it would have been a break even or a loss. But I didn't take it. So it was this one right here. I didn't take it because I was waiting for a pullback into this level, a rejection before I took it. But price drove down first, broke the lows, and then spiked back up. But so far, yesterday we had the 30-minute signal right here, the 30-minute buy signal, which gave 94 pips during the first trading window, and then there was an hourly buy signal during the second trading window right here, which gave about 136 pips, 137 pips. Which time frame is good to trade? You want to go like top down, right? Zone, daily, 4 hour, like weekly, daily, 4 hour, hourly, 30-minute, 15-minute, all good time frames. The indicator does it for them, Bauer. The indicator does it automatically. What's up, Quaid? Can you check USD CAD? Don't get my eye right now, man. USD CAD. Let's have a look. USD CAD. Let's have a look. Let's see what's happening on USD CAD. Let me see what is happening on USD CAD. So we're retesting in those previous monthly highs at this point. Price has come down and tapped in. Haven't broke back up above the current monthly open. Kind of just opened up and started driving to the downside. We've still got 10 days left of the monthly. At this point though, let's have a look at the weekly to see what's happening. The weekly has come down. Weekly has actually closed below previous monthly highs. If we just mark this out, it did close below that level, and the current weekly is now pulling back bullish. So at some point this week on USD CAD, you could see a flip bearish, right? Because again, what's happening from the weekly, it doesn't matter what time frame it is, price is closed below a key level. Now it's pulling back to tap in that key level, right? It could also be tapping in here which is the previous weekly low. We can have a look at that level. We got this weekly low here as well. Let's have a look at the daily. You can see the daily has pulled back and has tapped in this level once, twice, 3 times, 4 times now. There is CAD inflation coming at 10:30, so that could be the decider on what is going on here. So yeah, CAD inflation, that's going to be huge. That's going to be huge for USD CAD in about an hour. But the daily at this point, we've broke previous daily highs, we've spiked out, but we're still rejecting this level. Let's do previous daily highs. We can take a quick look at that level, see what's going on. We've got current daily open. And yeah, let's have a look at that. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what is happening. Where'd the music go? The music has stopped. All right, so the 8-hour time frame. Yeah, appreciate the diamonds on TikTok. Let's go. So the 8-hour time frame now has come up, close above this level, close back below, close back above. Now it's closing back below this weekly high. So this is where price is consolidating now at this point. You can see a lot of price action around this area, the previous weekly low. So at this point, we've also got the current daily open, right? You see this level, very important level, very key level right now. We're getting the 4-hour candle coming down. So in about an hour and 31, this 4-hour candle closes, and where you want to see it close below is this level right here. You want to see it close below 1.36246. And if you get this 4-hour closure below, because look what's happened, right? We've actually got the tap in here now for this 4-hour candle. This 4-hour candle, bearish candle, closed below that key level. The current 4-hour candle has pulled back, tapped in, and then it started driving to the downside, right? Again, very important. So we've got the tap in first, then we get the drive. So that level has been confirmed, right? Closed below, tapped in, driving to the downside. So now the next level is down here at 1.36246. So again, like I said, in an hour 30, you want to see this 4-hour candle come down, close below here. The next 4-hour candle you want to see open up, tap into this level, and then start driving in that down into that next range, which is 1.36144, and that's where you're gonna look for your entries. But again, we have inflation rate, so anything could happen, right? Anything could happen with inflation. You could just get a huge spike to the upside or a huge spike to anything could happen. So at this point, you're not really trying to trade USD CAD. You're waiting until after news, seeing how it forms, how it reacts. Let's have a look at the hourly buy signals right now here on USD CAD. Very nice buy signal right here. Those sales, no, these sales are invalid. These sales are invalid. This sell is valid. Nice move to the downside right there. Decent. Decent. So look at the 2. So the 2-hour, yeah, the 2-hour closed below, tapped in, started driving. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. So again, just wait for closures below 1.36246, I would say, and then go from there. 1.36246. What's gold doing? All right, so now we have the tap, right? We have the tap. We have the test of this level. Now price is flipping back bullish. So this could give it the confirmation to keep bullish. Obviously the 30-minute has just opened, so we want to see a slight pullback for this 30-minute bottom wick before it continues bullish. Look at that 15, beautiful. So once you got the tap, then you saw the reaction, the bullish closure. What's up, Zhao? Zhao, is that how I say it, Zhao? Thanks for your input, no worries. What's up, High Label, thank you for the follow. Shimza, thank you for the follow. Shauno, thank you for the follow. Add on top, thank you for the follow. Kupnu, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you guys. Cynthia, thank you for the follow on the TikTok. SK, Burkham Pro. Do we still need another tap? Nah, not necessarily. We've already tapped now. I mean, we've already tapped. Bevan, John Wick, appreciate you. Which pair? This is gold. This is back on gold now. This is back on gold. Back on gold. But at this point now, like I explained earlier, we've already had that move to the upside. That's the move right there that you want to catch from this tap in, right? That move has already happened. So at this point, there would be no trades until now above this level, right? That's the next level. So these are your ranges, right? Within this range, right now, we've got the kind of the midpoint where we can look for a break above for buys, and this is now kind of like the range you don't want to be in, right? So we're in this range right now. You want to be looking for trades above in this area or down this area, because we've already had the move that has filled this range right now, right? We've come up and filled this range to the top. We've already closed above and retested the bottom of this range. So the move within this range has happened at this point. Now, you know, like I said, we're looking in this range or we're looking in this range. If price wants to go up, we can look up here. If price wants to come down, we can look below here. Jeffrey, appreciate the follow. Jeffrey. This is Binance? No, this is TradingView. John Wick. What trade was you in, bro? What trade was you in, bro? I didn't even know you was in trade. Where did you get the inflation news? On USD CAD. So you can also go to Forex Factory, right? You can also go to Forex Factory, and that's going to give you the news as well. So let me just turn on CAD. You're going to see CAD news right here. CPI. But yeah, I mean, can I please adjust my screen? User, if you want to see the full screen, you're gonna have to come over to YouTube. We can't put price targets on the TikTok chat, or we will get banned. We recently got banned, so we're trying to stay away from that. So if you want to see the full screen, if you want to see the levels and the whole chart, then come over to the YouTube. No, I'm not in any trade, Ava. There's not really much you can do with this, right? There's not really much you can do with this. We had the opportunity for this move to the upside, but didn't give me the retest of this level that I was looking for. How long have I traded for? 8 years. 7-8 years now. Yo, Baroni, appreciate all the diamonds again, man. You just keep sending them through, brother. You're watching on YouTube as well, Baroni? Damn, son. You're a dedicated follower, dedicated viewer. Two 417. I mean, what's your name? RST Sahel? S? I'm just going to call you S because your name's S. You need to make that decision, bro. You entered the trade. There must be a reason why you entered the trade, right? There must be a reason why you entered the buy. I don't know why you entered the buy, so I can't really give you much, you know, help with that. But yeah, like, like no name just said, you can potentially, if you're in profit at this point, you can just set your stops to break even, because you don't really want to be caught in a trade in this area now, right? You can see clear consolidation. Like I said, the ranges you want to be looking at is potentially in here to the upside, maybe in here to the downside, but more so down here to the downside, right below this range, because this is clean down here, right? Look at this clean range down in here that we can potentially trade in, right? Very clean if you look to the left. Whereas this one has a little bit of mess in it, right? You can see in here, rejections. We can see consolidation in here. So don't know if you know the answer to this, but what apps do I need to trade real money on Metafied? You need to connect a broker to your MT5, the main spot. So that'll be your next step, is finding a broker that you like and connecting it to your MT5. Floats, appreciate the follow. Jason, appreciate the follow. Baroni just sending non-stop diamonds, appreciate you. You're going crazy, brother. I mean, yeah, guys. There's not really much I can do right now, you know? On days, honestly, guys, on days like this, you know, it's best to just call it a day, you know? There's literally nothing you can do right now until you see some kind of movement start happening. We got New York session in about 22 minutes. Maybe that can start bringing some volume, but right now it's just dead. It's completely dead. Nah, there's no news today, but we do have New York open in 22 minutes. That's my one, Phillips. Forex with Cody, Algo V4. The recent buy on 5-minute hit TP2. Outside of the trading window though, yeah? What are you talking about? Which one are you talking about, Seal? That is the 5-minute. I'm on the 5-minute. What chart are you using, Seal? Are you using Oanda, yeah? That's the Forex with Cody indicator, Dara. Oh, Anda, send it in the Discord, bro. Why is it showing for you but not for me? It's weird. Yeah, Zero's not getting any either. Check the Discord. The hell? What version have you got, bro? You got the most recent version of the indicator? It's literally not showing for me, bro. You got V4? I have no idea, bro. I have no idea. But anyway, what we got here? We got 15 closures in 1 minute. GJ breaking out. There we go. So we've come down, previous daily high. Look at that. We broke out that level. We came back and tapped it. Nice. So again, look what happened, right? Perfect on GJ. We closed out that level on the 1 hour. Price came down, tapped in both of these levels. Boom, boom. And now look, it's driving. Driving to the upside. Next level is up in here. Next level is up in here. Let me see actually. What's the 2, 4, 8? Got the 8 flip, previous 8-hour high in there. We got previous 12-hour high. Let's have a look. Beautiful. Beautiful. The breakout, the tap, the drive. The 2-pack. Nice, K-Car. Let's go. Yo, what's up, Cooper? What application is this? This is TradingView, Ty. TradingView. D, you can just go to my website, bro. Click the link in my TikTok profile. Good, mate. How's yours been? I was just thinking, who the fuck's Nate? Who's he talking to? Who's this Nate guy? Take a look at Gary Network once. What's that? What's that, bro? Appreciate all the follows on TikTok. Let's go. Keep the follows coming. Keep the likes coming. If you're new to the YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the YouTube channel. All right, hit the like button. Help your brother out, and we can continue to do some gold analyses. Gold analyses. I'm not sure, Seal. I have no idea how you have that signal on your chart. Genuinely. Who's talking? There's someone talking. And it's a voice that I don't know. Let's have a look. Yeah, Seal, I was just about to say to you, have you changed any of these? Oh, it's because of this. Wait. This has changed. Wait. I must have accidentally put something in here. So, this is 8. This is 21, right? That's why. So it's probably going to be there at this point, right? What's up, D? The salt and the pepper was a bit messed up, man. You got to have the right amount of salt and pepper. Not enough pepper was the problem here, man. We didn't have enough pepper on the charts. There we go. So now they're coming up. So you're talking about, yeah, there we go. That's the signal you're talking about, right? Seal. Yeah. Nice. So that would have hit TP2, would it? Yeah, TP2 right there. Beautiful. 1 to 2. Oh, that was the problem then. My bad. I must have accidentally changed that earlier. So what does yours say, Seal? Does it say 21 or does it say 20? I forgot now. I'm pretty sure it's 21, right? 20? Okay. 20. Oh, 0. You'd have to uncheck this, bro. You have to uncheck this. You have to uncheck the trading window signals only, right? I don't recommend doing that. I'd recommend keeping it checked to only give you signals during the trading windows, right? But yeah, that's what you'd have to do. That is what you'd have to do, my brother. My brother. Mine says 21 half. What do you mean, AI world? What time frame is this? 15. Wickoff, appreciate the follow. Jen XRP, appreciate the follow. Charneil, appreciate the follow. I have a lot of work to finish today. Won't be able to start. No worries, D. Alright. So now we have had the tap of this level confirmed, right? Now our price is pushing back up. So in 9 minutes, right, now we've got the retest of this level. If we can close above here, right? If we can close above, what is it? 24,22790. Then guess what? We get an hourly closure above. We wait for the bottom wick to be formed, a tap in to 24,22790, and then a drive to the next level, 24,26530. $15-minute signal TP. I see. Let's become best friends. Name of the indicator, you'll find it in my profile, Mr. Icing. Just hit the link in my profile, you'll find it in there, bro. So this is outside of the trading window, right? Outside of the trading window, but I know Seal doesn't give a fuck about trading windows. He don't give a damn. The name of the indicator is Forex with Cody Algo 4. You'll only find this indicator on my website. But yeah, 0. That's that setting, you know, you want to keep it checked on. You only want to take these signals. I highly recommend only taking the signals within this trading window, bro. That level. But this is a perfect example of how the indicator works, right? You can see if you have a look in the top right, it gives you the exact entry level, exact stop loss, exact take profit 1, and exact take profit 2. It gives you all the levels right here. Crazy 5-minute signal. Yeah, the 5-minute was. Minute would have been right here. Stops below here. 24 pips. Now I'm not in any trade loop. This is outside of my trading window, bro. I only look for trades in here. I'm just checking out these signals that Seal is mentioning in the chat, but I only trade within this area right here. Yeah, you'd enter it manually on your broker. You'd enter it manually on your broker, Pepe. So there's that next level. Let's see if we can get closure above on the hourly. That sell signal as well. Very nice. 54 pips. I think last Friday. I think last Friday was the first time I ever put 100 pips. Oh, nice, man. Nice, Seal. Can I speak Indonesian? Fortunately, I can't. What indicator is that? That's my indicator, Snapdragon. You'll find it on my website. Link in my profile. You set a sell trade? No, I didn't. All right. So we got 5 minutes left here for hourly closure. Let's see if we can get the hourly closure above. That buy signal would give about 16 pips so far. At this point, I would see the hourly closing above, right? Because we've already had confirmation of the taps down in here. We've closed above, tapped in. Now price is driving. That means the 4-hour is now bullish and driving. We still have an hour left of the 4-hour time frame, and I would say we can definitely come back into here at this point. Definitely come back into 2426.530. Not financial advice. Closure above. We got 4 minutes. We got 4 minutes to wait for a closure above here. What country am I from? I'm in Melbourne. I'm in Australia at the moment. Appreciate all the follows, guys. Truth, thank you for the follow. Kali Makap, thank you for the follow. Xauusd, appreciate the follow. Africa, appreciate the follow. Week off, that's my indicator, bro. You'll find it on my website. Links in my profile. The FOMC news is not ready yet. FOMC is actually red folder news. FOMC meeting right here. All right, we got 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes for an hourly closure above. 3 minutes for an hourly closure above. Will we see this hourly candle close above 2422975? No, 2422790. Sorry, 2422790. Let's see. Let's see. Then we have an hour left for the 4-hour candle, which could now, we've seen price pull back, create a bottom wick, close above 4-hour open, tap in, start driving. Now this next hourly candle, once it opens, you can anticipate a tap down into 2422790 and then a drive. Okay, then a drive. Let's see if we get it. I'm letting you guys know right now, okay? Once it tap down and then a drive up into the next area. You think so? I mean, we've still got 1:40, bro. A lot can happen in that time seal. We could pull back for sure. Yeah, I do bushels. C-man, CAD CPI. Yeah, we got CAD CPI in 30 minutes as well. We'll see what happens with that. You can see some volume here because it's New York session open now, seal. New York session open now. Nice, PJ. No worries, I mean, appreciate those words. CAD news doesn't affect gold, not necessarily, not directly, no. But we may see, you might see a bit of a spike in gold because of, you know, the CAD news potentially. It's not going to affect it massively though. All right, so again, we have New York session open now, right? So as this hourly candle opens, that's also going to bring New York session open and potentially a lot of volume, right? So we just have to wait now. You could, as soon as this opens, you could just see it spike down and start driving up straight away. So just wait for closures at this point. Look at all time frames now, right over here on the indicator. Bullish, bullish, bullish. So let's see. What's up, trading with Bless? What's up, man? I'm doing good. How are you? I don't know about that, T-man. I don't know about that, bro. All right, there we go. Close above. Tap down. Can we get the tap, first of all? Again, New York session open now, right? You could get a big spike coming in. So, first of all, tap into 2422790. Tap in, tap in. Yeah, appreciate the diamonds. Number 1705A. This is XAUUSD. Oh, nice, KCar. Let's go. If you guys are new to the channel right now, hit that follow button, hit the like button. I hate saying that stuff, but you gotta say it, you know? It helps the channel grow. I cringe when I say it, but you know, what are we here for otherwise? Nice, Archie. Let's go. Yeah, scalping glitch. Lucy, appreciate the follow. What time frame? This is the hourly time frame. Moses, appreciate the follow. Mod Narton, appreciate the follow. Am I still in a buy? I haven't been in a buy yet. T-Man, PAC, bro. PAC. Price Action Concepts. FWC PAC. Forex with Cody, Price Action Concepts. Yo, Blue Baby Yanda, appreciate the follow. Sorry, appreciate the diamonds. I'm just used to... I'm like a robot right now, just repeating the same stuff. I'm only trading a small account, but I'm learning a lot. Nice, Archie. Nice, bro. How long have you been in the YouTube channel? Zeze, appreciate the follow. Say ATF instead of appreciate the follow. ATF? Is that what people actually say? Leo ATF? Is that what people actually say? Stan, appreciate the follow. What app I'm using, this is TradingView. Let me subscribe real quick. Yo, let's go, T-Man. Came across your TikTok yesterday, but your analysis is giving me a better understanding of everything. I love that, Archie. I love that, man. Thank you for the kind words, brother. You are a wizard. You know the market movements. Well, let's see. Let's see. Haven't broke highs yet. No break of the previous highs yet. What's my broker? Black Bull. Black Bull Markets. I recently switched. Where am I from? I'm from the UK originally. From the UK. But I'm currently living in Australia. I took USD CAD trade. It went down as you said. I want to subscribe you. How can I do that? The link in my profile, Baha, to my website, man. You took the USD CAD trade? Nice. Nice. What's good, Kunzi? What's happening, bro? Let me know how you know. Oh, look at that 15. Look at that 15 closure below right there. The 15 also had a sell signal. Beautiful. I mean, look at this, right? This looks like a huge move on USD CAD. But this is 11 pips. On gold, this would have been like a 100 pip move, easy. If you guys want to see the levels and the symbols and you want to see the full screen on TikTok, then come over to the YouTube channel. Come over to the YouTube channel, man. All right, there we go. The highs have been broken. Heading to TP2. Indicator is going to make history again. Which time frame are you talking about now, Seal? Can't keep up with you, brother. You're just like multi-time frame signal giant. You are British? Yeah, I'm from the UK originally. I'm living in Australia though at the moment. British brother. Sorry, I don't see the symbol. This is XAUUSD. Do I trade for money accounts? No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't trust them. I don't trust them, man. Oh, yeah, nice. There was the 5-minute signal as well. 30 pips. Not bad, not bad. Now, this 5 doesn't have a bottom wick, so you can anticipate this 5 to create some sort of bottom wick potentially. Pull back. I mean, none of these 5s have bottom wicks either. And this is coming in from New York session, so depends if we're going to see that volume just come in for New York. We have been consolidating pretty much all of London session, right? So now that New York session is here and it is opened, now we could get that volume and you could see a pretty sharp move to the upside. But I don't like how these 5s are forming at the moment. 15 has a bottom. It's just this 5. I would like this 5 to come down, create a bottom wick. Maybe tap in here again. But let's see. You're waiting for the TP2 to be hit. Did you take the trade, Seal? So I stream every day, Monday to Friday. Norsan. Oh, when we got CAD, yeah, we got CAD news soon. Let's have a look at this. CAD news CPI. Previous was 0.6. Forecast is 0.5. So it's forecasted to decrease by a percent. 0.1%. You never answered me. What did you ask, Nikos? Sorry, bro. There's a lot of questions in the TikTok, man. A lot. Does FIFA work on oh yeah, of course it does, KCar. Of course it does, bro. You can use it on your on the TradingView mobile app as well. I don't know what you asked, bro. I don't see your question. You took it, Seal? Nice, bro. Yes, CAD CPI news. Annie Banks, appreciate the follow. Why did I move to Australia? It's a beautiful country, man. Also met my partner. She's from Australia, so I would rather live in Australia than in the UK right now. So, you know, we came over here. Which pair? This is XAUUSD. XAUUSD. Go to Bali. I've been to Bali. I've been to Bali a few times, actually. Bali is very nice. All right, we've got 4 minutes until a 15 closure, which will be closing above the hourly candle that closed above. Let's see. We've still only had 10 minutes of this hourly candle at this point, so it's still fresh. I don't know if we should take partials now. It looks like a clean push. I mean, yeah, these 5s, that's a nice 5 closure, but these 5s here have closed with no bottom wicks. So either that means we're going to get a very clean move to the upside and there's just a lot of bullish volume that's come into the market here, or, you know, price is going to have to come back down into these areas and start tapping in here, right, into these levels before we continue bullish. But it is the 5-minute time frames. I'm not too worried about it. If it was on the 15 or the 30 or the hourly, then I'll be, you know. What city? Melbourne. Afternoon. What's up, crypto? What's up, crypto man? You got a Telegram? No, I got the free Telegram actually. The forecast? Are you talking about the news, Mervin? You go on Forex Factory, bro. Forex Factory. Where's USD CAD? Let me bring this shit up right here. USD CAD. 30 minutes south. 1 hour. So it didn't come down and tap in yet. It came very close. What is that? 0.3 pips. 1.36144. Is CAD gonna hit gold hard? I don't think so, Seal. Not necessarily, no. You may see a slight reaction, but I don't think it's gonna be a huge reaction. It may bring some volume into the market overall and into gold, but I wouldn't be necessarily too worried about a huge reaction happening on gold because of CAD CPI. How to see where to tap in? Just find your key levels, man. Find your key levels. Jeffrey Murray, appreciate the follow. On TikTok, Martin, appreciate the follows. Psycho, M Super, C7, appreciate the follows. Thank you, guys. All right, so at this point, you'd really want to see this hourly candle start to drive to the upside now, right? You really want to start seeing this happen soon. We got a 15 closure. So again, the next 15 could potentially open up, tap in here before it continues bullish. So you could see a slight pullback down into this level and a continuation to the upside. But this 4-hour candle closes in 46 minutes. So you can expect some kind of wick to be left on this 4-hour candle, right? The same as if you look at all these 4-hour candles over to the left-hand side, right? Most of them have strong wicks to the upside, right? We have wick here, wick here, wick here, wicks here, wicks here, wicks, 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 wicks. And then the previous 4-hour candle also had a wick, right? So you can anticipate this 4-hour candle to leave some sort of wick, right? So we can anticipate a potential pullback. So if this is going to drive up into this level at this point, 2426530, this level right here, you really want to see that starting to form within the next like 15-30 minutes. Otherwise, it could potentially be coming back down, you know, back into 24222790. So at this point, yeah, you want to see how this starts to form. Right, we got 15 closure in 19 seconds. Let's see. Which pair? This is XAUUSD. 15:30, yeah, 15-minute, 30-minute time frame. 15-minute, 30-minute candles. Fuck, man, it's cold. It's cold. I've got my hoodie over here next to me. Should I wear it? All right, here we go. There's a 15 closure. So the 15 closed above. Have a look at the 5 real quick. 5. There's a buy signal on the 5-minute actually. But I would want to see a tap. I mean, it can drive from here, but at this point, about 15 pips. Freezing in Sydney as well. Yeah, it's cold in Australia. It's 8 degrees right now. In this house, we live right next to a wetlands, like a massive field of like lakes. There's like kangaroos and shit in there, bro. Snakes. You know, what the fuck just happened? What just happened? Snakes, everything. And we live literally like, we're right here. Like, here's our house. Next door is that field. So it's like, it's free. You get it, that massive open field is like, it just brings all the cold air in. Like, yeah, it's freezing in this house, bro. All right, there's a spike up. What's that? 19, 20 pips. At this point, you know, at this point, you'd be, you know, looking at potentially moving stock to break even, taking some profits, and then looking at, you know, kind of 2426,530 as being the last kind of take profit level. UJ? What's happening on UJ? What's going on? What's going on right now? Why is this? Why is it? Why? I can't fucking speak. Why is my chart freezing and loading and not loading? Like what's happening right now? What time frame? That's the hourly time frame. Oh my gosh. What time is it in my country? It is 17 minutes past 10. Banks are hacking me. Yeah, the banks are not liking this, bro. The banks are definitely onto me right now. What tool is that? I feel so lucky that I found your TikTok. I appreciate that. Try me soon. Appreciate that, bro. Oh my god, I literally can't click anything. It just freezes. Yeah, let me refresh. Let me refresh. Reload that. Does the stream look okay? Yeah, the stream looks fine. The banks are onto us, boys. It's over. It's over. All right, what was that right there? That was about a 19 pip move to the upside. Not bad. Now this 15 has spiked up. It's flipping bearish. It's coming down to tap into 2423795. Honestly, learning so much. Used to have a bad habit of entering far too soon, but your way of trading with patience has really helped. Yeah, I appreciate those words, Luke. I'm glad the streams are, you know, beneficial to you guys and giving you guys some good insights, you know. Why should you use Xauusd? I mean, you don't have to use Xauusd, but it's a very consistent broker to use on TradingView, in my opinion. I've always used it, but you know, everyone has different brokers and charts that they like to use. I think why I like Xauusd is the first one that I started to use, and so I'm just used to it at this point. That's why my indicator is also built around Xauusd charts. I just find the consistency on Xauusd is really good. Honestly, I only trade when you go live. Your streams are good, bro. Appreciate you guys, man. You make me feel calm. What is the music name? Music name is Like It Loud by Diala. It's just a this is just free, copyright free music from YouTube. You can find this in your own profile. All right, there we go. And we get the tap 2426530. $2426530. Can we get the tap? TP2 hit. Let's go, Seal. Do you make videos for beginners? Yeah, there's a couple videos on my channel, Nuggles. I'm definitely going to be uploading more in the near future. That's definitely part of the plan. But yeah, there's a couple on there at the moment. But if you just show up to the streams every day, Nuggles, you're going to learn a lot. Trust me. Everyone should like the YouTube stream. Got to push more traffic here. Appreciate that, Luke. Yeah, like the stream, man. If you're new to the stream, make sure you subscribe. Hit the like. That's all I ask for. Do I only trade gold? Pretty much, yeah. Do I have any promos for the indicator? No, not at the moment. If I give promos now, I feel bad for all the people that I didn't give it to in the past. Everyone's gonna start sending me messages like, man, why you give me a promo? Yo, thank you for subscribing to the YouTube channel, Kevin. Appreciate you. Random question: should teenagers learn how to trade? I mean, there's no harm in it, as long as they're learning correctly. There we go. There's the tap into 2426. What is it? Yeah, 2426 530. I need some glasses, bro. So there we go. Right. Mapped out perfectly again for you guys. The 1 hour closure above, the pullback and tap into 2422 and then the break of the highs and the continuation up into the next level, about 30 pips. Played out to perfection. And you know why this trade played out? Because of the arrows. That's it. All you got to do when you're trading is start drawing arrows on your chart that you have to show the candles where to go, right? You have to show them. So that's all I was doing. I was just guiding them in the right direction. Said, all right, guys, what I want you to do is come down and tap in first of all, right? That was this green arrow. And then I want to see you move up into this level, right? So you just have to guide the candles a little bit. You gotta whisper to them. Umet, on my website, bro, you can click the link in my TikTok profile. Made a quick 50. Nice, bro. Let's go. Draw the next arrow. Draw the next arrow. Keep drawing arrows. What is the next level? The next level for me is this level. 2431590. But now it's different, right? Because now we have a 4 hour closure in 36 minutes. So at this point, you're definitely waiting, because as I said before, right, about 4 hour candles making top and bottom wicks. This 4 hour candle now potentially has the, has a good chance that it's going to create some kind of wick, right? Some kind of top wick. So at this point, now we've got the move. So we've mapped out both of those moves, right? From first of all, from here up into here, and now from here up into here. So at this point, the move has happened. We've caught that move beautifully from kind of the bottom into the top. And now you just want to see in the next 36 minutes, where is this 4 hour candle going to close? Is it going to close above this level that we just tapped into, the 2426.530 level? Is it going to close above? Is it going to close rejecting, respecting this level? If it closes above, guess what? What do you think we're going to wait for if the 4 hour closes above that level? What do you guys think? I think I know. You should all know what I'm about to say right now. Tap. The tap. The beautiful tap. So the 4 hour candle will have to come down and create a bottom wick. Tap into this level first of all. You may even get a deeper pullback, because now look, we've broke this key level right here, the previous weekly high, the 2422.790. You could even get a deeper pullback bottom wick into this level, right? That's something we have to watch out for. Could either be this level, or it could just simply close above here, tap into this level, right? Tap in here. Why does it keep doing that? Tap in here, and then drive the next level. So at this point though, if you guys were here from the analysis earlier, all these levels have been respected now, right? All these levels have been respected, because the move to the downside, this bearish candle right here, broke through all these levels without tapping, right? Then we came up with the tap here and the tap here. So at this point, if we come back up into these levels, then who knows what can happen from there, right? But first of all, again, what you'd want to see is, yeah, taps of these levels, confirmation that price has broke above, retested, and continued to the upside, right? So at this point, again, we're just waiting. So we got CAD news as well in about 4 minutes. So we'll go over and watch CAD as well now. Now that we've done gold. Now we've smashed gold, we will go and have a look at CAD. Sajid. I think it will come down to them. Boom, touch to. I hope so. Appreciate you, man. Made me some. What did you say? Where'd that comment go? Made me some good profits last night and today too. Yo, nice, Phillips. Let's go, bro. Appreciate all the diamonds as well, guys. Lil Kerr, thank you for the diamonds. Uni Bre, thank you for the diamonds. Thank you for all the follows. You can hear my voice is I'm starting to lose my voice a bit now. It usually happens around the 2-hour mark of the stream, where I've been talking for so long. Where did I get those levels? Anon, if you come over to the YouTube, bro, you'll be able to see the levels. I can't show them on TikTok, though, because there's a risk of getting banned. So if you want to see the levels, come over to the YouTube channel, Forex with Cody. I'm 18 pence away from passing phase 2. TP closed me out. What do you mean, KCAR? Oh, it closed you out of the trade before you could get the 18 pence? All right, let's go over to CAD. Let's go watch CAD. USD CAD. CPI. Close a nice 600 euros, leaving the runner now. Nice, Luke. Let's go, bro. But I mean, you're still very close, bro. You're still very close. Don't rush into any trades right now, man. Don't blow it. Shane, Mete, Vinta, Chilex, appreciate the follows. What's CPI going to do with gold? I mean, it's CAD CPI, right? So I don't imagine too much of a reaction, but there could be, right? There could be a bit of a spike, a bit of a bouncing in price when it first drops. Maybe you might see some more volume coming in. All right, we got about 30 seconds. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. Let's get juicy. All right, guys, 10 seconds. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Anon, I use Forex Factory, bro. What's up, Sonny? Do you only trade Forex? Yeah, Forex. Gold and Forex. All right, here we go. Oh! God damn. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Did it affect gold? Not really. Spike back up into previous daily highs, previous weekly highs. Let's take a look how news came out. What pair is that? This is USD CAD. We're currently watching CAD CPI, which has just come out. CAD CPI. Let's have a look. Okay, so yeah, the forecast. Okay, so they forecasted the numbers pretty well actually this time. Usually on gold, their forecasted numbers are terrible, but on CAD right here, it seems to be okay, except for this one. So that's why we're seeing a spike, because we had negative news for the CAD, right? You're seeing USD gain strength over the Canadian dollar. That's why we're seeing this strength in the market, because of the negative news right here, the median CPI. Send me a DM, or I'll check it. What website is that? That is Forex Factory. Forex Factory. BBC. Bro's name is BBC. Doesn't affect gold much? No, it doesn't. I didn't think it would. 5-minute buy signal is just going crazy right now, bro. Look at that. Another 36 pips. The 5-minute signals right here, like if we look back at the last, what? How many? 3? Look at that. buys, buys, buys. Beautiful. Also, that 15 signal as well was crazy. Look at that 15 signal. Look at that 15 signal. 72 pips and running. And that's the Forex with Cody indicator, bro. The Forex with Cody indicator. You'll find it on my website, guys. Caught the 5-minute signal runner to 60 pips. Nice, Tommy. Let's go. Let's go. Golden zone fib. I don't trade Fibonacci. Sorry, Flugel. Robert, you'll see the link down below in the description in the YouTube, bro. What's up, Mizo? Mizo, is that right? Mizo? Mezzo? Mizo? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Mizo, right? Mizo. You think it's still gonna go down? What do you mean down? You talking about USD CAD? Nice, Tommy. Let's go. Let's go, bro. You shorted what, Kunzi? You shorted gold or USD CAD? This is driving. All right, so we've. Let me look at the daily real quick here on USD CAD. What's happening on the daily? Also, you see what I'm saying? Now it makes sense. Now the boys, now that bullish move on CAD makes sense, right? Because we had previous bullish candle right there. Today's daily candle has come down, created a bottom wick. Now it's broke the previous daily highs and it's driving. So that makes sense, to be honest. Look at the 12. Bullish candles printing on the 12, the 8, the 4 potentially. So you got 20. It's going crazy right now. Look at this 5-minute candle. Very nice. Now it's tapping into the level provided by the indicator. Key level provided by the indicator. Gold has also closed above on the 15. Didn't quite come for a tap. Didn't quite tap into that level. It almost did. So at this point now, again, prices drove up without tapping into the level. So there's a good chance it's going to come back down now and tap in. Very good chance, right? It's like 24 pips, Anon. 24 pips or something, which is kind of, it's a bit of a big move for USD CAD, I'm not going to lie. Yo, Piers, Dean, Smiles, DJ Scottish, Say Tama, appreciate the follows. Oh man, it's about time that I got off, guys. My eyes are starting to hurt. I'm starting to lose my voice. Staring at a screen like this for 2.5 hours is not good. My eyes are fucked. How and where do you post your training ideas? In my Telegram, Robert. In the free Telegram, on YouTube sometimes, on the live streams. Sunday, appreciate the sub on YouTube, man. Let's go. Guys on TikTok, if you want to make sure you don't miss the streams, we have recently been banned on TikTok because of the trading scenario. TikTok doesn't really like it. So if you want to make sure you don't miss the streams, shoot over to YouTube real quick, drop a sub on the YouTube channel, and then you can come back to the TikTok if you want. But just in case, right? Just in case. Need some Legos while charting. Yeah. I need to get some, I used to have some blue light glasses, shades, whatever you want to call them, but I don't know where they've gone, so I need to get some more. But yeah, my eyes get fucked, man. My eyes get fucked wicked, especially when I'm like focusing so much on the chat, like trying to read the chat and like really like squinting my eyes to look. How do you know where to draw the white lines? It's just based off different time frames. Who asked that? Try me soon. Based off different time frames. So currently we have the daily open. Right, so this is where today's daily candle opened. Yeah. Always a key level where price can attract to this level, the daily open, as well as the weekly open that we have down here. You can see that all this consolidation today happened around the weekly open, all right? Because this is where price is picking up orders, a lot of volume in this area. And you can see we were bouncing around this level multiple times, consolidating around here. And then eventually it decided, all right, you know, I broke above, nice bullish move, retested it in here. And then we saw this bullish move to the upside. So it's just based off different time frames. We got previous weekly highs in here, 2-hour break of structure from yesterday, which ended up being a very nice level of resistance eventually once price came back to it. Yeah, it's just picking the levels from different time frames on where price is reacting with, you know, where price is currently about to close above on like the 4-hour, the hourly, the 30-minute. It's just choosing those levels from the time frames where price is currently reacting with during the current session. You sent me a DM on Insta too, okay? Bro, you glasses if you're squint. Yeah, I know. Yeah, KK, my eyes actually over the last year or so have got really bad. Like sometimes they really hurt when I'm trying to read the chat because I have to really get close to see what the fuck's going on. I've been trading for too long, man. I've been staring at screens for way too long, like 10 years straight now. Yo, appreciate the subs on YouTube, man. Fair value gap, 30-minute time frame. In any trades now? No, not right now, Robert. We did analyze these buys from these levels right here to the upside into the next level. Teaching you a lot, Toby. Nice, man. Let's go. I love that. You should buy glasses, bro. Yeah, I know I should. That just means I'm getting old, right? Fuck. Nisi Cole, Bodie, Riso, Cyber. Appreciate the subs on YouTube, man. You're going crazy. What's my settings for the indicator? The settings are, they should come default, PN. They should come default like this. So just leave it as it is default. The only thing you really want to play with is the daily levels, the weekly levels, trading windows, right? You don't really have to mess with anything else. You're learning a lot as well, Riso. Nice, man. Thank you, guys. I appreciate those kind words, man. Yeah, the laser, bro. Now, I've looked at the laser, the PRK, right? Would you guys, who in the chat would have the eye surgery, the laser eye surgery? Name of my Telegram, Pepe. You'll find it if you go to my. Banks are destroying your eyes. Stop you taking their money. Pepe, if you go to my profile and click on the link to my website, you'll get the free Telegram from my website. I don't want to post any links in here because last time I posted a link, that's when I got banned. So maybe that's why they banned me. You're 18, you already have to wear glasses? I mean, that makes me feel better, Seal. Yo, Michael, thank you for the sub. My dad and sis got it and said it's the best thing they did, really? You've had it 10 years ago? Shit. So a lot of people have it at this point. How often do I stream? Monday to Friday, Rico. Am I saying? Yeah, it's Rico, right? Is it Rico or Riso? Monday to Friday, bro. It doesn't stop your eyes aging though and needing reading glasses? Yeah. Saying it right? Rico or Riso? Rico, right? It was the best thing I ever did, but I need reading glasses now, not for monitor, but I can't read tin and beans. But what does LASIK do to your eyes? It kind of doesn't it like take off the first layer of your eye or something? Like the part that is you had it done last year, K-Car? Fuck, everybody has it at this point. I might as well go get it, I suppose. How do you get those lines on your TradingView? What settings? It's just this up here, Toby. It's just this one, bro. Just the horizontal lines. Horizontal ray. Can't find my Telegram? Go to my profile, my website, Anon. And it'll be on my website. You'll be able to get the link to my Telegram on my website. It's free. We're currently breaking down GJ in the free Telegram. We're doing the analysis on GJ for this week. Last week it was Euro USD. This week it's GJ. Oh, Antonio, you're hella late, brother. You're hella late, my guy. Gold has been done and dusted for today, bro. Gold has been done and dusted. You go on to, you'll see, it should say free Telegram right there on my website, bro. If not, Anon, come over to the YouTube channel and it's in the YouTube chat. The link is in the YouTube chat. I just don't want to post it in TikTok. That's all. That's why I'm not posting it, just in case. They don't like me posting links in the chat. So I'm not going to do that. But if you want it, come over to the YouTube. Yeah, tiny layer off the top of your eyeball after some eye-numbing stuff. Then a laser corrects the inside of your eyes. That's crazy. So, Zero, does it hurt afterwards? Like, are you in pain afterwards? Can you open your eyes? Can you see? Like, what happens after it? What's my YouTube? Forex with Cody, the same. Forex with Cody. Why is gold going down? Seal, we talked about this, right? We talked about the 4-hour candle creating a top wick now, right? We talked about this. So we planned for this, right? We planned for this. We knew this 4-hour candle was eventually going to pull back. We got 15 minutes left. And we know it's potentially going to create a top wick, right? Doesn't hurt, but your eyes are super sensitive to light. How many I don't post signals, Robert. I don't post signals. The indicator gives signals, right? If you have a look. The indicator gives you signals, but I don't post it. So these signals are based on my strategy. That's the indicator that I coded with a coder, a solid coder, a professional coder around my strategy. For a few days, I would say mine have been more sensitive to light than before the surgery, but after 3 or 4 days, it's okay. So you don't feel anything, right? You don't feel anything when they're doing it. You don't feel no laser like burning your eye or anything like that. Eyes are itchy and burns slightly for me. PRK can make you a bit more sensitive to light and brightness forever. Yeah, I have heard that. Maybe first day, depends if you do PRK or Smile. What's Smile? Code for Cody? Where will gold drop to at the moment? At the moment, I'm not going to say it's really going to drop. It's just this 4-hour candle closure, right? We need to see how this 4-hour candle closes. If this 4-hour candle closes below this level, which is 2426,530, then at that point we've validated this move to the downside. We've tapped back into this area where price broke over here. We've retested, we've validated it. You could see a rejection from this level. Once this next 4-hour candle opens, you could see the next 4 hours spiking into here and then driving to the downside. If this 4-hour, however, in 12 minutes closes above this level, right, then what you're waiting for is the next 4-hour candle to open up, pull back, tap into 2426,530, and then continuing driving up. But now it just depends on the 4-hour closures, because if we look at the daily is flipped bearish, and the daily is still bearish at this point, right? We've already made the move to the upside today for about 66 pips, right? And now we've come all the way down, broke previous daily lows, broke structure potentially. So we just have to wait and see. Look at the 8-hour time frame still. The 8-hour time frame is disgusting in here. Look at this. This is horrible. So at this point, it all comes down to this 4-hour candle closure, as usual. It's just really uncomfortable. They place a little plastic cup on your eyeball to stop you blinking. Oh, fuck. That's, oh, fuck, I hate that. That would drive me crazy. 15-minute time frame? 15? Yeah, this is the 15. Not much is really happening. Yeah, this is gold, Vorovids. Not much is happening on the 15. What has happened, we've closed above the daily open, spiked out, and then we've closed straight back below here on the 15. But again, this can just be the 4-hour candle just creating a top wick, right? We already talked about this already earlier in the stream. The fact that this, when we wanted this move to happen, right, when we was analyzing the buys from this level, get rid of this now, from this level, right, when we was analyzing the taps of here for price to continue bullish up into that level, I said you'd really want to see the move happen within the next 15 to 30 minutes, right? Specifically for this reason, because the 4-hour is going to potentially at some point start rejecting, start retracing to create a 4-hour top wick for the 4-hour candle closure, right? So at this point, we just have to wait and see. I stayed out of the trade because of that 8-hour time frame. Yeah, 8 hours not looking good at all. Appreciate all the follows, guys. We got 392 new followers on TikTok today during the stream. 14k likes. 86 diamonds. You're expecting it to go higher, Snazzy? Yeah, there's definitely potential now. There's definitely potential. But we just have to wait and see, right? Just react. Don't try predict, just react. Like, I'm losing my voice now. Talking too much. I'm fucking talking too much. Yeah. All right. CPI, that's done. Let's see how CAD is going actually. Oh, very nice. What is that? 34 pip move. So now you go back up into the now CAD on the monthly time frame is starting to make sense, right? Because remember when we analyzed this earlier and I was saying the retest of this level down here. So this monthly candle shot straight up, breaking out of all these wicks to the left, right? Now it's come down, and what has it done? It's tapped. It's tapped in, right? It's come back. It's come down for a tap. And now it's pushing back bullish. So there's still 10 days left for this monthly candle. It could be making its way up into like these areas potentially. Now we got the tap. If you see the weekly, what does the weekly look like? The weekly is found support here. It's bouncing off. You've now got previous weekly opens. We now need TikTok to tap with Cody here. Previous weekly open. All right, so this is a level that we can look out, see what's going to happen here. Now, the key, the deciding factor in this is going to be the previous weekly high, right? This is weekly break of structure. Because now look at the daily time frame. That's just a very simple break and retest of that key level from the monthly, right? Look at that. Resistance over here. Break, retest, support over here on the daily. Lots of rejections on the daily time frame. So it made sense. So the fundamentals here, the fundamentals in terms of the CPI, the news, aligned with the technicals, right? Fundamentals aligned with the technicals. Very nice. Now you've had rejection, clean rejection in here. Now you're getting the move to the upside potentially. But to validate that this move is going to continue to be bullish, you're going to start to see how price reacts around these levels, right? Because at any point now, this could just be a lower high, right? Being formed in this. If we look at the top, we've got highs, lower highs, and then potentially lower highs in here, right? Also with lower lows being formed. So if you want to validate this move to the upside and look for continued move to the upside based on the monthly candle, the monthly time frame, making a bottom wick and flipping back bullish, then you would have to see these levels get taken. More specifically, this level, right? 1.36905. I'm going to wait and see how this 4-hour candle closes in the next 5 minutes, and then I'm out of here. Out of here, mate. Forex with Cody, tap with Cody. Should I actually put that somewhere in my profile? Tap with Cody. Yo, Adam, are you still in here, bro? Adam, are you still in here? Gold's looking pretty decent for the bullish 4-hour. Sorry, I was just reading the comment below there, actually. You reckon you'd ever let AI just do all your trading for you? Well, that's what pretty much the indicator is, I suppose, in a way. It's kind of AI, right? It just finds the signals and the key levels for me, and then I just take the trades. Gold's looking pretty decent for the bullish 4. Yeah, exactly. So I think, Archie, again, what I would want to see is this 4-hour candle. This 4-hour candle close above this level right now. 2,426,530. Nice, Kunzi. Nice, bro. Umet, yeah, it should close above 2,426,530. What indicator? That's my indicator, bro. Not at the moment, Pepe. That would have to be like on MT5 or something. But right now it's automatic in terms of you know, levels and signals, but you still have to enter the trade manually. Yeah, I mean, I don't either, the boy who lived. I don't either, right? This is just based on my strategy. So this is the... I can obviously trade without the indicator. The indicator is just made to help traders. Mainly with discipline and consistency. That was the main aim when creating it, was to help traders with discipline and consistency. By giving them specific trading windows and only showing setups within those trading windows, it automatically forces you to be disciplined and consistent, and also helps you with the risk management aspect as well by giving you the exact entry, stop loss, and take profit levels. So you can't be, you know, not having stops. You don't have any reason to not have a stop loss or, you know, anything like that. So it forces you to learn the core concepts of being a successful trader. All right, we've got 2 minutes. These mother are so stupid, bro. These fake accounts, right, keep coming onto my profile on TikTok, and they repost. Look at this. They repost all my videos. Let me block that out a second. So they've created a fake account of me, came onto my TikTok profile and reposted all my videos, and I can see they've reposted pretty much every single video, bro. Like, are they stupid? Did they not realize I'm going to see that and I'm just going to report them and block them? Like, what? How dumb do you have to be? Yeah, just make sure you guys are reporting them for pretending to be somebody. Amin, what did you ask, Amin? Am I following people back? Nah, not really. All right, there we go. There's the 4 hour. There is the 4 hour time frame. Closure. Got buy signal here. So now you can see entry, stop loss, take profit. Entry would be up here. Continue bullish, but it has closed below. Right, it closed respecting this level, so we knew about that. We know about this wick. We've come straight down within the first 30 seconds, and potentially, yeah, there we go, tapping in. But we have respected this level now, right? Price has respected this level, so we need to wait and see what happens here. We've already got the tap of this level. We also talked about that earlier, right? If we get a closure above, price could come down all the way back into here for a tap first of all before it continues bullish, right? How many days? It's not going to take you days, Jarso. It's going to take you years, my brother. It's going to take you years, bro. I hate those, bro. They spam follow on my TikTok. I just report them. Yeah, just report them, man. One of them tried to message you today, Alec. Yeah, they're doing it to everyone, bro. What do I send in the Telegram? Just random stuff. Analysis. Some analysis on some pairs. Yo, Adam. So, what I've gathered, bro. What I've gathered from that ban is not to show any numbers on your screen, right? So you can see on my TikTok, there's no numbers shown, no price targets, no numbers. That was something that I did before when I got banned. I was showing, you know, like numbers and price targets. So don't show any numbers. don't post any links in your own chat, right? So I've attempted to post some links in my chat before to my like website or to the YouTube or something like that. Don't post any links in your own chat. Don't give trades or signals or ideas, or don't tell anyone enter here or enter now or do this or anything like that, right? Don't say any of that shit. With TikTok, you just really have to watch exactly what you're saying. Don't show any numbers. Don't post any links in your chat, and you should be good, bro. You should be good. Adam was just asking me about the streams, right? Because he's also had some issues with getting banned, so I was just having a quick chat with him for a sec. Oh, really, D? Yeah, you gotta watch out for those, man. You gotta watch out for those fake accounts. Also, Adam, make sure you have this in your stream as well. For educational purposes only, not financial advice. Make sure you have some sort of disclaimer. I'm not sure if you do or not, but... Let's get the 20k likes before Cody ends. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, you watch Adam as well, Luke? I've never, you know, to be honest, I've never seen Adam, so I'll definitely have to check his profile out. If he does the live streaming as well. Adam. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'll give Adam a follow. The boy Adam. You watch Adam as well? All right, there we go. Here's now the tap. Here's now the tap, right, that we talked about. The tap of these levels, 4-hour bottom wick. Can you tell me your top right? Oh, that's Kunzi. That's my indicator, bro. Mine, bro. You'll find it in the link down below. You both go off candle. You are both like price action traders. I have to try and catch. When does he stream, Luke? What time does he usually stream? I have to try and catch one of his streams. Tag Adam. He's on TikTok, Brannigan. What was his name? Adam. He also live streams on TikTok, I believe. His name is Adam. Adam Effects NJ. Adam Effects NJ. He seems to be pretty well known because a lot of people in the chat know him, and he's also got 56,000 followers on TikTok. So he seems to be well known in the industry. When I go live normally, usually around 8 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time. So about 3 hours ago. Adam is really good. Yeah, I'll have to try to catch one of his streams then. Adam, oh, everyone seems to know Adam, so yeah, that's cool, man. Adam Effects is a pretty cool guy, but honestly, I've been learning way more from you personally. Oh, I appreciate that, K. K-Tech. I mean, that's the beauty of modern day technology, right? You guys can just jump around different streams and find what you like, see who you connect the most with, who you learn the most from, what kind of strategy you're clicking with more, right? What makes more sense to you. That's the beauty of modern day technology, man. Can someone mention him in the chat? I don't think he's in here anymore, Umet. But his name is Adam FX NJ. Adam FX NJ. What does he trade? I have no idea. I generally have no idea. I've never come across Adam before until he typed in the chat just before. So Moment JP, that's my indicator, bro. You'll find it in my profile link to my website. Personally, you're the Messi of streaming. You explain things like a football coach. You know way more technical analysis than anyone on here. I've been trading for years. I appreciate that, Amani. Appreciate that, guys. Adam, your account user, please. Adam's not. I don't think Adam's in the chat anymore, guys. But it's literally here. I'll write it on the. I'll write it on the screen right here. It is Adam FX. Adam FX NJ. This right here, right? This is his TikTok name, right here. Adam FX NJ. We got the tap. Do we think it's going to continue to the upside now? Just got a signal from your indicator. I buy from. Just got a signal from your indicator. I buy from 2321 up 1.5k. Good investment. Shit, bro. You made 1.5k. What time frame was it on? All right, so let's see what. So we've got an hourly candle here. We can potentially look at 15. The 15 closes in 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. So look, right. We've got the tap now. We've already got the tap. Beautiful. If you're looking at the 4-hour time frame, look where this 4-hour candle passed through. Right, this previous 4-hour candle broke through this level. Right, this key level right here broke through. We've already come down for the tap, and now we're flipping bullish, right? So you got a 15 closure in about 3 minutes. You want to see a 15 closure above here now. All right, guys, I'm gonna head off. I am gonna head off. It is 3 hours into this stream right now, but yeah, you guys know what the you guys know what the deal is. You guys know what the plan is. It played out perfectly again, right? Tap down. We close right. We closed above this level. We tapped into it. And now we're driving. Obviously, at this point, you can look at. I mean, this level is probably a bit too close to the next level. But like I said, you got 15 closure in 2 minutes. This 15 closure. The 8-hour time frame didn't close above the 8-hour. Broke up, broke through, tap down there yet. Let's have a look at the daily. The daily's flipped back bullish. Where could the daily drive to? Yeah, so the 15 closes in 2 minutes. There's just not much room, though, I'm looking at, in all fairness. There's not much room. There's not much room. So I'd say if you want to look for continuation buys, there's potential above this level right here. But then, of course, the next level is fairly close if we have a look to the left-hand side. Look at the reaction of this level, right? Over to the left-hand side over here. So to be safe, you may, you know, the best bet maybe will be above 2431590, right? To look for continuations, because now then you got a nice zone, a nice range up in here. So you'd look for closures above 2431590, potentially on the 15, on the 30, on the hourly. Nothing really above that. You could look for the closures above there for continuations up into the next level. Because this 15 has already drove quite a bit at this point. The hard part, so yeah, the hard part was the fact that the 4 hour didn't close above this level, right? So here's where the 4 hour closed below. So you couldn't really get the entry once. If this 15 closed above, you could have waited for the next 4 hour candle to come down, create the bottom wick, and then you could have looked you know, potential entries above the highs of the previous 15 to take price up. But it closed below, we created the bottom wick, then it flipped bullish. So there wasn't really an entry there, apart from now with the closure above on the 15 in here. But again, now you'd want to see, now I'd want to see a tap, you know, back down into these areas. Moving quite quickly at this point. But yeah, I think I'd say look above these levels for continuations. That is what I will be doing personally, not financial advice. But the fact that it's now broke this level, you can see the 15 has broke this level without tapping in. So at this point as well, you could see, you could, if you want to, you could wait for the validation of the buys for a tap down into this level first before you see the move back to the upside. All right, so there's a couple options, definitely a couple options in there. But yeah, appreciate the stream today, guys. 444 new followers on the TikTok. I will be live tomorrow, same time. I want to go get some sleep. Like, stop looking at this screen because my eyes are fucked. I don't use IC markets, Pepe. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you, TikTok. I'm out of here. Peace out. Great stream today. Some great ideas. Hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, wait for taps. Wait for taps at 2426530 before a continuation. Or you can simply just wait for closures above, I would say 2431590 for continuations above this level up into the next level. All right. Peace out, guys. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you later, YouTube. See you guys tomorrow, man. Thank you for all the subs. Thank you guys for keeping me company, all the comments, the likes, and everything. I learn more every stream you do. Let's go, Ethan. Thank you, man. Appreciate you guys. Hearing those comments from you guys, you know, definitely keeps me coming back every day and doing what I'm doing, knowing that it's, you know, it's beneficial to you guys. So thank you for the kind words, and I will see you tomorrow.